I have 2013 Toyota Highlander. In case if somebody doesn't know how to change the light bulb in the mirror, this is how I do it. I push the mirror all the way on the inside so it gives me greater opening. Then on the inside it's holding on this white situation, so you just either from this side or from the bottom, you just use this and just pry it, and it comes off like this. That's it. And then you have access let's see. Okay. So there's two Phillips screws. You pull them out. Actually, you unscrew them, and the light bulb right here is just gonna drop, and you just pull it.